Welcome back everybody, it's your boy Mark, and today's video has nothing to do about any cars. It's all related to sneakers. It's been a while that I made a video on sneakers and my love with sneakers and how I make money selling sneakers. The person I just bought these two bags off, two big bags of sneakers. You won't believe how much I paid. Now, the person that I bought it off is a person that I have dealt with before. You may have seen this person in one of my previous videos. I believe last year, the back of his trunk, he had bags of sneakers and I bought them for like over $100, maybe $200, I can't remember. So he contacted me again. He says he has more sneakers and he wanted to get rid of. Now, I remember last year when I made that video, I actually kind of mentioned the price already. So this time, again, I couldn't record it because he's not comfortable from the last time. He does not like being on camera. I can't argue with that, and he's giving me a great discount. Now, these two bags of sneakers, I was looking at them. I just told him how much he wanted to pay, how much he wanted for them. Or matter of fact, the question I asked was, how much do you want to sell each pair? I'm only interested in a few. He said, well, just pull out the ones that you want and we can negotiate. So I believe there's 10 pairs. I pulled out 6 to 7 pairs. He said $40. In my head, I thought he was gonna go for like $100, $200, $150, let's say. I was very interested in just buying everything because the more sneakers I have, the more sneakers I have in my stock, in my shop, the more I can sell. When he said 40, off the bat, I was already thinking he was gonna say 150. So I said, how much is for everything? He said 60. Take them all for 60. Beautiful to hear 60, because I was ready to spend $200 on this person. I didn't have 20s, I had two $100 bills. So I told him, can I just run to the supermarket, which was right at the parking lot that we met. Ran in there, made change out of 100, gave him 3 20s, and I was out. This deal didn't last more than 8 minutes. So I got the 2 bags here, and now I want to do it on camera. The sneakers, maybe you guys will see if they're fake or not, but I believe, dealing with sneakers now for over my whole life, I can spot fake sneakers. Now, out of these 2 bags, there is 1 pair of sneakers that I already knew off the bat were fake. But I said, you know, he's throwing it in there for $6. Why not? This person did sell me sneakers before that were fake. That is why I had to look at every individual pairs to make sure and confirm that they were real, spotted the fake ones. But I didn't want to say anything. I was going to use that to my advantage if he wanted to sell everything for $200. So let's go ahead and show off the first pair. Again, these sneakers are pre-owned. So you will see some scuff marks, like you see there. I do a great job cleaning and maintaining these sneakers and making them look pretty, especially in photographs. Even in the photographs, this is a size 9.5, 2016, so they're not that old. These are Jordans. Cool. I'll leave it off here. Put them on the floor. Now, he sold me Nikes, Pumas, Jordans. Now, look at these cool Puma sneakers. This is a size 11. Not bad. Big high tops. I feel like they're in great condition. They look a little bit dirty, but that's not a problem. These are the only pair of champions I saw in there. I don't think I'm gonna get much for these sneakers. And if I do, okay. I had to do my math on exactly how many pairs are here and divide it by $60. These are nice. Pair of sneakers just fell. These are size 10. Very nice. They're not in bad condition. Sorry I didn't show too much of the Champion sneakers. I don't think you guys are interested in Champion sneakers. The red, white, and blue with a little bit of yellow. Yeah, no one's gonna, I don't think I'm gonna get any money for those. But if I do, not bad. All right, so this is the last pair in this white bag here. And it's these right here. They're actually very clean. Okay. I mean, I don't want to stay for too long on these sneakers. I just want to show you guys what I got this week. And when it comes to sneakers, these will be at the shop by the end of the week. Look at these. Very nice. All right, so I'm already on the second bag. And this is the first pair that I took out of the second bag. These are size 12. These actually fit me. But I don't wear the sneakers. I just buy them, clean them, and resell them. Okay. Let's see. These are youth size. These are size 5. 5 youth. Not bad. Okay. Here, I'm thinking about putting the sneakers here, but my wife will kill me if she sees this video and finds out that I'm putting used pre-owned sneakers here. Well, either way, let's go ahead. These are nice Huaraches. These are like bright orange red. Size 7. Yeah. They look small for size 7. Not bad. All right, so let's move on. Okay, I got 2 pairs left and then the fake pair. Not bad. These are size 6. Not bad. Not bad. Clean these bad boys. They can easily go for $70, especially for the red and white. The gum color is still not as brown. They're not blue, but they're not brown. So a good cleaning, I can take a shade away. Now let's go ahead with the last pair, and then I'll show you the fake pair in this bag. These look small as well, but they look very clean. I don't know why people just, I believe, see, I don't want to tell you this well, you've seen this person before. This person has some type of connection where I get my sneakers, so I know where these sneakers are coming from, but I will not say. That's his privacy, and I'm getting a great deal. These are size, is it 5 or 6? 6. These are size 6. All right, and now for the last pair. Oh, before I show you the last pair, for $60, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 pairs, $60. The 11th, I'm not gonna count the 11th pair just because I can't resell them. I'll just throw it in there with the $60. I'll consider them a bonus. I'll consider them free because I cannot sell them. And I know I won't sell them because I'll get in trouble. It's these. The reason why I say they're fake is because I do not see no tag on these. Now you might say, well, Mark, maybe the tag was bothering the person and they decided to take it out. Okay, you may be right. But I can't see the tag, and the Adidas Yeezy or whatever it says, the Boost. I can't read it. It's kind of off now. I can't tell what size they are. I don't see the tag to tell me the size. So I can't go buy it. Buy the size, excuse me. Yeah. And I looked. That's one of the first things I did when I got home. Well, not even at home, in the trunk when I was taking the bag out and I spotted them. I said, you know what, let me take a look and see if they're real, because when I met the person, I knew they were fake already, because, I don't know. Can you see how thick this is right here? Unless, I mean, they don't, look, right here. See, this is how I grabbed it by when I first saw it. I grabbed it by here and I said, nah, these don't, they look flimsy. I mean, if these were real and you're paying a lot and they're supposed to be in high quality, wouldn't these look more secure than just, look how thin this is. So tell me if I made a good call. I paid $60 for all the sneakers you saw here. Is it good? I think it's great, because just 2 pairs of these sneakers, maybe just 1 pair, I'll get my money back. And the rest is just a plus. This is just a plus, so I'm not gonna consider this in the 10 pairs. All right, everyone, thanks for watching. Remember, if you guys got old pair of sneakers and you wanna make some money, give them a good cleaning, post them online and resell them. That's a great way to make income on the side. All right, guys, peace.